With its particularly novel design, Elyte, the new mounted sprayer, is a complete technological package with unrivaled levels of performance in its category. Safety, ease of operation, accuracy of application, and respect for the environment are all paramount. With its curved yet streamlined shape, compact and smooth, the new Elyte mounted sprayer catches the eye from the very first moment. Elyte is a perfect blend of aesthetic design and technical innovation. All the tanks and equipment have been totally incorporated into the tank chassis. A monoblock welded tank chassis protected by Berthoud ultra-high resistance paint. Integrated 3-point automatic hitching. A main tank of 1,000 or 1,200 litres made from high-density polyethylene. A rinsing tank with a capacity of 125 litres. A storage compartment. A hand-wash tank with a capacity of 16 litres. The Berthoud operating panel. A retractable mixing hopper. The 3-piston gamma pump. All this is protected by built-in fairings. Nothing protrudes. Risks of getting hooked up on an obstacle or damaging your crops are reduced to the very minimum. Another advantage of total integration: maximum compactness and minimum overhang. The center of gravity right at the front of the unit, the automatic hitching system built into the chassis, and the compactness of the tank, which sits tightly on the tractor, all this helps to increase stability and maneuverability. The boom is raised by means of a central arm system, a patented Berthoud invention that offers numerous advantages. Mechanical stress is transferred to the tractor's 3-point linkage unit, thereby sparing the chassis, which gains in sturdiness and service life. The sides and back of the tank are completely free of any obstacle, thus making access to the tank and the spray boom as easy as possible. The piping passes inside the central arm and is no longer visible. Maintenance is easier. From hitching up to storing away, the Elyte has been entirely designed for maximum safety and comfort of operation. With the automatic hitching system incorporated into the chassis, hitching operations are carried out in all simplicity and under the best possible safety conditions. The main tank can be filled either through the manhole or by external suction. With the Berthoud panel, operating the unit and all its functions, filling, mixing, agitating, spraying and so forth, are rapid and easy to carry out. Before proceeding further, don't forget to put on your protective kit. Products can be incorporated effortlessly and in all safety using the chemical induction hopper and its incorporated can rinser. The contents of the tank are agitated by a venturi on the tank return line. The degree of agitation can be adjusted on the Berthoud panel. A 16-litre capacity tank for washing hands has been incorporated in the left-hand door of the unit. The width of the Elyte, whichever the boom fitted, does not exceed the maximum authorized 2.55 meters for public roads, so you can drive at speeds of up to 40 kilometers an hour in total safety and serenity. The right dose at the right moment in the right place. That's what spraying is all about. The accuracy of the spray control system plays a vital role in this context. It is also a deciding factor for reducing volumes left over after spraying. 3 types of control system are offered for the Elyte. The Berthoud, a DPM control system, is highly accurate, even with changes of speed of up to 20%, due to the gamma piston pump's excellent volumetric output. An efficient, economical solution. For increased operating comfort, the auto-regulator can be fitted with the Berthoud 2000 spray control monitor as an optional extra. DP Control is a computer-aided DPM control system. Its second-generation monitor controls the current spraying operation and memorizes data. The DP-Tronic is an electronic control system using a pressure sensor. You simply program your spraying operation, the regulation system does the rest. Information displayed and memorized are the same as for DP control. Today, respect of environment and user safety must go hand in hand with efficient spraying. This notably involves good phytosanitary practice. With the Elyte, Berthoud offers you several simple and novel solutions for making your task easier. The hopper can be fed by the outside suction circuit. As a result, clean water can be used for incorporating products and rinsing the hopper or product cans. A system that eliminates any need to rinse the mixing circuit and reduces amounts of phytosanitary effluent. Preparing the exact volume of mix needed for treating a given area is essential for limiting residual quantities at the end of treatment. 3 models of gauge are available. In its standard version, the Elyte is equipped with a direct readout gauge. As an optional extra, it can be fitted with a rotary drum gauge or Nivelec and Nivematic electronic gauges. Placed on the front of the unit, the new Berthoud rotary drum gauge is accurate and easy to read from both the cabin and the filling station. Nivelec and Nivematic gauges provide even more accurate readings and comfort. The volume is displayed on a control box inside the cabin. With the Nivematic gauge, a given volume can be programmed when filling. Once the volume has been reached, the gauge can either set off an audible alarm or stop the filling operation. An efficient solution for avoiding any accidental overflows. The Elyte has been designed to limit any volumes left over at the end of the spraying operation to a minimum. The main tank on the Elyte possesses a sump with a lateral draw-off tap for complete draining before the pump is no longer primed. The piping, channeled through the central arm, is shorter, which means less residual volume in the spraying circuit. With the Elyte, in-the-field rinsing is made easy. The 2 rinse circuit ball valves on either side of the main tank for high-performance rinsing. Final rinsing of the spray circuit can be done with clean water. Water pumped from the rinsing tank is sent directly to the boom without any return line back to the tank. A system which also enables the apparatus to be rinsed if the spraying operation has to be stopped. The automatic rinsing option enables this operation to be carried out from the tractor cabin. A recovery valve on the Biologic panel enables the apparatus to be drained safely. Standard servicing for the Elyte is extremely simple, as its different elements are all easily accessible. Easy to remove filter. Pump on the back of the unit. Greasing points on the central lifting arm. Years of experience of axial booms used on Berthoud trailed units have consolidated their reputation. Remarkable vertical stability, especially on turns, and a very good performance on hillsides thanks to its central pivot suspension system. No whipping due to the rigidity of its triangulated structure, sturdiness of the link points, long service life of the hydraulic cylinders which work with their shafts retracted when the boom is in an unfolded position. Slope correction. Variable geometry is an option. When teamed up with the Elyte, the axial spray boom has 2 extra advantages. The nitrogen ball suspension system for the lifting arm improves shock absorbing and takes weight off the boom structure. The height and slope indicators on the front of the unit facilitate maneuverability. As well as the axial boom, the Elyte can also be fitted with the Maltese boom. A main tank of 1,000 or 1,200 litres. A spraying width of 15 to 24 meters. Axial or Maltese booms. Berarc, DP control or DP-Tronic control systems. the Elyte is a complete range, designed to meet your requirements even better. Elyte, 100% Berthoud.